Yeah, this is senior designer H.J. Giovanni from Blacksmith Retro. We're at our Stratoliner Classic photo shoot. This is the first full production Stratoliner kit for the Yamaha roadliner. As you see, we're at an undisclosed location. We got Don Cates from Shooter Images over on laying low doing the shots on it. But once again, this is our full retro classic package. 21-inch front wheel, 18 by 8.5 rear, full custom exhaust, full cosmetic fender work, all steel front and back. Our accessories. Do a quick portion walk around. Try to make sure we don't get in Don's way. Give you guys a little behind the scene look. This classic kit will be available at select Yamaha dealerships. We'll have a 120 cubic inch motor. Has our Houdini illusion set up with the bars. Everything's ran internal with everything from our grip assembly, HHI controls, heel toe shifter, forward, 210 rear tire or 240 option, Corbin optional seat. Be a real good addition. We're looking at horsepower ratings between 125 to 135 for the classic, depending upon the tune package that you choose. But it will house a 120 stroker motor instead of the 113. So hopefully this little short view of our photo shoot, once again with Don Cates, the Shooter's Image. This is Giovanni from the Blacksmith Retro channel. We'll do a quick walkthrough and then we'll let you guys go.